What up, senders? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, please consider to subscribe if you're into downhill mountain biking and whatever related to that. So today I dropped by Roaring Brook for a short visit. There's a 6th section that I remember from the last time I came here that we didn't have enough time to session it. So today I'm all by myself just for that section. So that section is right in the middle of Roaring Brook Trail, which is the sharpest corner on the trail. Most of the traffic on those trails is enduro motorcycles and quads, and because of that there's tons of berms and a lot of sections that have been flattened out because of the traffic of the motorcycles and quads. So that's kind of awesome for me, but it is super dry and slippery. That took me down too easily. So the climb up here was brutal. Since it was 97 degrees and the humidity is high, it made it much harder, but it was totally worth it. So the 6th section starts right about here. I had to charge a lot of pedals to boost nice speed to get nice flow through the section. This is the end of it. From here it goes uphill. This is roughly the middle of Roaring Brook Trail. Alright, now we're on the way down. And this is pretty crunchy and you can't really see it on the GoPro, but this is all full of rocks, loose stones, tons of roots. That adds more gnar into the ride, just to keep it more interesting. So I showed you only the good stuff in Roaring Brook, all the trails that you can get nice flow and nice speed. So I'm gonna leave a link below to Trail Forks to Roaring Brook Trail so you can find it if you're in the area and you want to drop by and have a fight with the rocks. On that note, this is the end of the episode. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment below, let me know if it was worth it to climb to come up to this section. And please smash the like, that will really help the channel. And if you're new to the channel, please consider to subscribe if you're into downhill mountain biking as much as we do. Until then, stay safe, stay fast, and I'll see you on the next sesh.